What's going on, guys? This is Josh with Biggs Harley-Davidson and North County, Indian, right here in San Marcos, California. Today's bike of the day is a 2014 FXDB, which is a Dyna Street Bob, spoked rims, chrome and accents of the recoiled black. This model is a 103 cubic inch 6-speed transmission with upgraded exhaust. Miles on this bad boy are 9,784, and it has classic Harley-Davidson written all over it. We got the Vance and Hines exhaust, as I said before. We have about 12-inch bars, really fixture posture so you can rip and roll whenever you're ready. Let's hear how she sounds. Any questions? You want to take it for a test ride? 6 days a week. Give us a call at Biggs Harley-Davidson, North County, Indian. You know what to do.